I've always believed that basic cooking skills were extremely important for butlers. So when we set up Rosset Bespoke Butler School, one of the most important things for me was that as part of the course we taught basic cooking skills. Here we can see Chef Giuseppe teaching how to make traditional Italian ice cream or gelato. Maybe that's a more advanced skill, but it's so important that butlers can always do something that's a bit above and beyond to make their principal's guests happy. So if you've got a few hours downtime and you can make some fresh ice cream, that's really going to wow the employers. So that's why we're really pleased to be able to teach those skills to our butlers at the Butler School.
Keep moving because they have ingredient to go from the bottom of the part of the pot and they pour. Give you the recipe. This recipe is 1 liter and 100 grams of milk, 300 grams of
And I tell you what, if any butlers can make ice cream as delicious as Chef Giuseppe's, they are always going to be in a position to truly wow their clients because it's absolutely stunning.
To our cooling down artisan.
So here we've got a bain-marie, and what we've done is rather than hot water that you would normally see, we've filled up the bottom half with ice water to rapidly cool the ice cream mixture.
To feel the cream, the taste of the cream. How is
Oh, it's lovely.
it's good.
It tastes like Zabbioni at the moment. You know, yeah.
When will be ice cream?
Any of my students will tell you that no Rosset Bespoke Butler School is complete without making bread. Now, making bread is certainly a personal passion of mine, and I think that if a butler would have to necessarily go down the shops to buy bread, then he's really missing out on a key skill,
what are these called,
because
Chef?
the ability to make delicious fresh bread is a real must for anyone. So it's something that I make sure that my butlers, when they leave the school, they all have this ability.
They're beautiful.
And they are rustic as well, so people can understand that we have not both together.
Yes, everything handmade here today, all fresh.
It's certainly my belief, and the belief of my trainers, that there's nothing more important than hands-on experience when it comes to training. So that's why 90% of what we do, the students get to really get their hands in, smell it, touch it, and really understand what you have to do. It's a huge difference between just looking at a recipe book or looking at something on paper when it comes to actually doing it in real life. And also, we don't pull any punches.
When I was learning,
We train the way people need to work. In this bit of the video here, you'll see Chef Giuseppe is explaining that when you're making these little rolls, you need to use both hands. He explains it in not too uncertain terms that, you know, if you can't do it with both hands, you're wasting time. And that's what it's all about. This isn't a sort of a little cook school for a hobby. This is, of course, part of our job and career as butlers.
But you are a manager, it's not for you, it's for the people that one day you will manage, you know? So then if you stay here, we are going to do the mini balloting of chicken as
Excellent.
a canapé.
So what is it you're doing there, Edward?
It's a chicken balloting as a canapé.
As you might have seen in my previous video with Chef Rachel, the need to make canapes often at very short notice and with limited ingredients is absolutely crucial skill in the butler's arsenal. So this ballotine of chicken that's being made here,
Nice lot of rosemary in there. So beautiful. You can. People can't smell this at home, and that's a beautiful smell.
With the leg meat of a chicken is absolutely delicious. It is fairly simple with a bit of experience. And
That you've got there, chef.
Here I've got nettle oil. We are going to use to decorate our chicken ballotine as a canape.
Excellent.
And we use natural ingredient. We use the rosemary for as a skewer.
Fantastic. So we've got a skewer made out of fresh rosemary.
Yes.
We've got oil made out of nettle. Yes, that's stinging nettles, just in case you thought you weren't understanding, but actually they're an ancient and delicious ingredient used throughout Europe widely.
Yes.
So
Okay. So this was the legs of the chicken we made as a ballotine, and this is an idea. It's hot. It's a hot idea for you if you want to do a canapé, very taste canapé. See how beautiful.
delicious. So that really is the parts of the chicken which have got the most flavour, isn't it?
Yes.
Often overlooked rather than the breast, but actually the flavour, there's real flavour in that dark meat, isn't there?
Yeah.
Look at that, beautiful. So simple but so
Yeah.
delicious and so beautiful.
And then we see what is your face when you try this. Let's see. Make a nice face. Yes.
Is that good?
Yes, very flavorful, yeah. Lovely.
Fantastic. Fantastic, thank you. Well done, Chef Giuseppe.
You're welcome.
But of course, it's not just cooking skills that we teach at Rosset Bespoke Butler School. All the traditional and modern skills are covered within the course. From afternoon teas to laying fires, cleaning, and everything else that you're going to need as a butler. And then, of course, we're never going to forget laying tables, folding napkins, and generally making the place look beautiful for an elegant dinner party. I hope you've enjoyed this behind the scenes look at the Rosset Bespoke cookery classes at the Butler School. Please, if you want to know anything else, watch my other videos, and please do feel free to get in contact anytime, and I'll send you all the information you'd like to know. Thanks very much. Bye.